a breakthrough in AI-powered character animation and video editing. Wan-Animate is a unified AI model developed by Alibaba's Tongyi lab team. It merges two previously distinct tasks, animating a static character image using motion from a reference video, and replacing an existing character in a video with another while preserving motion, expressions, and environmental consistency. The model supports two main modes. Move mode. Bring to life a static character image by transferring movement and facial expressions from a reference. Mix mode. Swap the original character in the video with the provided character image, while keeping motion, lighting, and expressions as realistic as possible. Technical highlights. Skeleton signal plus facial feature extraction. Wan-Animate uses spatially aligned skeleton signals to track and replicate body motion. Facial expressions are captured via implicit features from the source image. This helps preserve identity and subtle expressions. Relighting LoRa module to ensure that when a character is replaced into a scene, it doesn't feel out of place. The model includes a lighting fusion module that matches scene lighting and color tone without distorting the character's appearance. Unified input paradigm. The architecture is designed to distinguish reference conditions from regions to be generated, allowing a common symbolic or latent representation to be used for both animation and replacement tasks. Open source accessibility. Alibaba officially open-sourced Wan-Animate, releasing model weights, code, and documentation to the public under the Apache 2 license. Challenges/ethical considerations. As with many AI video tools, issues around consent and copyright could arise when replacing characters or animating likenesses. Biases in training data could affect performance for underrepresented character styles, facial types, or motion types. Computational resources. Although open source, high-fidelity generation still requires substantial hardware, GPUs, for good performance. Wan-Animate represents a major step forward in unifying character animation and replacement into a single, powerful, accessible model. With its open-source release, it has the potential to reshape how creators animate characters, swap actors in video scenes, or integrate digital avatars. As with all powerful tools, its impact will depend on how it's used, responsibly, creatively, and with awareness of the risks. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. See you next time.